Well, most college students spend their weekends cutting loose and occasionally studying, but a group of UNLV students uses their free time to aim a little bit higher. This club hopes to write its name in the sky.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Not so fast.
It'll fly.
6 hours earlier,
It'll land.
Riley Santiago was nervous. He's a third-year engineering student at UNLV. Not too long ago, he wanted to be a medical student.
100%.
Now he's here in the Jean Dry Lake bed to do something he's waited almost a year for. Launch this rocket.
When we see this successfully launch, I'm just going to be feeling like a sense of pride.
Santiago is a member of SEDS, UNLV's student rocketry club.
This is huge.
In June, this team is taking part in the International Rocket Engineering Competition against the best in the world. Today was their one and only test flight.
This is kind of really like the biggest moment of the year.
Ty Huell's responsible for the rocket's recovery.
This is what's called our avionics sled.
They have to get everything back to Earth intact using GPS and parachutes.
So you want to see something cool?
Ideally, the rocket will reach at least 10,000 feet.
It makes a beep.
Sometimes, your main classes can be kind of quiet.
Testing in 3.
It's good to do something in school that's fun.
The team's challenge involves this, the payload, a small tank of water.
You think the duct tape's gonna seal it?
Students are testing ways to keep the water from sloshing too much during flight.
To simulate a device being fueled.
It's also where all the cameras are kept.
So it's only payload we're waiting on.
As project manager, Santiago keeps an eye on the progress.
Give me an ETA.
They're supposed to launch around noon.
Come on, finish. Let's go. We're on a time crunch.
I hope our chute deploys.
The SEDS team started work on the rocket last summer.
We run a lot of calculations beforehand, before we do any building, before we do any manufacturing.
From computer to prototype and then creation. The team shared Jean's Dry Lake bed with other rocketeers and helped along the way.
Really nerve-wracking, honestly. I don't even want to watch today.
SEDS kept working.
We're waiting on you guys.
At this point, everything was done.
Good work.
Except the payload.
How close are we?
This is complicated stuff.
Very close, right? You gotta work fast because it's 5 minutes.
Battery issues.
Guys, wait, what? This is kind of the main event, guys.
Getting along helps under pressure.
We're willing to learn about it by ourselves. We all hang out together. We're all like family.
Still, delays here are one thing. Stressed?
Yeah.
It'll be different at the competition.
Gentle.
Finally, the waiting seemed over.
That looks good to me.
Time to put the rocket together.
I am eating my pants right now.
Launch time approached.
I'm absolutely eating it.
So now the rocket is pretty much ready. You can see it staged right under the tent there. So everything seems good. All they have to do is attach the motor, this rocket of the rocket. The only problem is, turns out they forgot the instruction manual.
It's crucial to install the motor correctly. The entire rocket cost $7,000. A year's worth of work cannot go up in flames.
This end's heavy.
2 hours later, it was time.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh my God, it's happening. I f***ed up a lot today, but you know what? It's happening.
Well, they are in college.
I did say a swear word. It's because I'm excited.
The team walked their rocket to the launch pad.
I like watching the ones that I don't work on. Because then it's if it blows up, it's not really on me. Slow. You kind of press the button and it's gone. Yeah. It could blow up in spectacular fashion. It could just be all over in an instant.
The launch site was set.
Yeah, we're in flight.
Many yards away, Huell and his recovery team connected to their precious aircraft.
Take a deep breath, Ty.
Santiago waited for the green light
We're approved.
to push the red button.
Sky is clear, range is clear.
In seconds, these students would learn if they could pass the test.
2, 1, 0.
The SEDS rocket shot straight into the sky. On the ground, there was celebration.
We're still going up.
It worked.
Of course.
Minutes later, drifted down to Earth.
Success. Absolute success.
Hours of delays, misplaced manuals. For Santiago and his team, it was all worth it.
You seem content.
I'm very happy, right? Yeah, I could cry. I guess that's what I like about the club. Just seeing work succeeding. Like, you put all this effort and then it just succeeds. It's crazy.
From here, the competition team will dissect the data. They'll refine everything for June. But even if they don't win, it's the process that'll help them take off into whatever comes next. So the SEDS rocket ended up reaching 9,700 feet. That IREC competition that starts June 9th in Midland, Texas. More than 200 teams are taking part, and thanks to the students for letting me hang out with them for a wonderful Saturday morning.